Good day everyone, I am John Edric J. Samar. Today, I'm gonna discuss about structure of triglycerides and importance of biological lipids. Structure of triglyceride. Triglyceride are lipids consisting of one glycerol molecule bonded with three fatty acid molecules. The bonds between the molecules are covalent and are called ester bonds. They are formed during condensation reaction. The charges are evenly distributed around the molecules so hydrogen bonds do not form with water molecules, making them insoluble in water. As you can see, glycerol has three hydroxyl groups. So the glycerol molecule and the molecule of fatty acids, these two molecules can react together to form a bond. This is called ester bond, and this process is called esterification. Next is glycerol. Glycerol is a triol, an alcohol which contains three hydroxyl functional groups. A fatty acid is a long carbon chain generally from 12 to 24 carbons in length with an attached carboxyl group. Each of three fatty acids molecule undergoes an esterification with one of the hydroxyl groups of glycerol molecule. The result is a larger triester molecule referred to as triglyceride. Triglycerides function as long-term storage form of energy in the human body. Because of the long carbon chains, triglycerides are nearly nonpolar molecules and does not dissolve readily in nonpolar solvents such as water. Instead, oils and fats are soluble in nonpolar organic solvents such as hexane and ethers. Next is importance of biological lipids. Building blocks for cells. Lipids are fatty, waxy, or oily compounds that serve as the building blocks for all living cells. They form the structure of cell membranes, helping to maintain their integrity and function. Next is energy storage. Lipids store energy in the form of body fat. Excess energy from the food we eat is digested and incorporated into adipose tissue or fat tissue. Next, regulation of hormones and nerve impulses. Lipids help regulate hormones and transmit nerve impulses. They also act as chemical messenger, sending information between organelles and to other cells. Next is insulation and temperature maintenance. Layer of subcutaneous fat under the skin help in insulation and protection from cold. They also play a role in maintaining body temperature. Next is disease prevention. Certain lipids can help prevent heart disease. Next is brain functioning. Lipids play a role in healthy brain functioning. Next is formation of lung surfactants. Lipids form the lung surfactants which prevent the alveoli in the lungs from collapsing. Next, regulation of calcium metabolism. Lipids help regulate the calcium metabolism in the body. And that's all. Thank you.